Okay, for those of you who thought completing the square couldn't get too much more exciting, we're going to try to offer it at home via YouTube. I'm sure that will make it so much better. Okay, step one, balance your C. So we have 4x squared plus 8x equals -1. Next step is divide everything by a, because we want that leading coefficient to be 1. So we're going to end up with an x squared plus 2x equals -1/4. We're going to now take half of our b value, whatever it may be, and square it. So half of 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1. We're going to add it to both sides. That 4/4 is 1, if you forgot there. We're now going to take that trinomial and turn it into a binomial squared. You're always going to put an x right there. You're going to take that sign and drop it. We're also going to take the square root of your new c value. In this case, the square root of 1 is 1. We're going to square that entire binomial and realize that this is really equivalent to this. We'll do the math out. 4 take away 1 is 3. 3/4 it is. Remember, the opposite of something squared is square root. So if we square root this entire quantity, that cancels out. It gives us x plus 1. If we square root this side, don't forget the plus or minus. We're doing very good here. So when I subtract 1 over, I now have -1 plus or minus the square root of 3/4. This is good for now, but we have to rationalize that. So we have the square root of 3 over the square root of 4. Now that worked out really nice, because that root 4 is really 2, isn't it? So we have root 3 over 2 plus or minus -1, x equals, and we are done.